further. Are you ready? It's a new pattern. Oh my gosh, take a look. This is part of Terra at Home. Terra at Home is the division of the Temptations family that's inspired by nature. Take a look right here. Little butterflies. How beautiful is that? Textural, gorgeous, scalloped edging. You're getting 3 bowls. Not only is this a new pattern, and it's a seasonal pattern, by the way, so we know that means order it when you've got it. There's a little design at the bottom of each bowl. So this size is 1 quart, beautiful flower on the inside. Next is your two quart, little butterfly on the inside. I love him. And then we have the 3 quart that also has a butterfly on the inside. It's 3 easy payments of $14.83. Each one has a plastic storage cover, so you can use them for storing things too. But Terra, before I dive into the colors, will you please tell us everything about this pattern? It's gorgeous.
Absolutely. I have to tell you, this to me is the perfect summertime pattern. I love the sorbet of colors, first of all, that it comes in. Uber feminine, like you mentioned, that ruffle edge that runs around, and then that gorgeous embossing. So much like the firework that you saw where you see that sculptural detail, this has various places where you have it. So the butterflies, the flowers, and we call this our nesting 1, 2, 3, right? 6 cup capacity, or 6 quart, excuse me. And what I love about our bowls is they're bakers as well. So for this time of year, a bowl to me is a necessity because, again, you're not using your metal bowls and your glass bowls. You're not bringing these out to the table. So you can chill this ahead of time, put your pasta, put your mayonnaise-based salads right inside there and bring it right to the table. But it's all about the color palette too, Mary. So I would love it if you would share all the colors because we've been sneaking them behind us throughout the show.
Okay, this teal is going to go with my Ocean Fetty and my summer.
Yes,
Look at
it
these.
is.
Look at this color. Look at the teal. Isn't that beautiful? This is the most limited color choice. Oh no, 300 remain here already. Here it is in lavender. Oh, soft, soft purple. Isn't that gorgeous? If you have confetti, this is how you turn confetti into your spring and summer table with a little lavender on the table next to it. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, wait. Take a look at the pink.
So pretty.
It's not baby pink.
Yes.
It's not medicinal pink. It's elegant lady pink. Oh,
yes,
love it.
It's that really pretty soft pink, almost like a ballet slipper pink.
Sure.
And I love, again, that was such a beautiful shot of all the butterflies and the flowers together, coming together, almost like a henna design that's running around and telling the story of All Aflutter.
And it's so well put. And then we have it in buttercream for sure. Love that soft, that little buttercup that I used to pick in the front yard when my dad was stationed in Texas. Oh, it's that exact color. By the way, too, it's the first day presented. This is a new pattern, All Aflutter, and bowls. So the importance of bowls in the kitchen, we know is always important, but this is the #1 requested accessory from the Temptations fans to Terra. And the lady who created it all is joining us for this entire hour. Terra would also make it very durable, so make no mistake. It's beautiful, but it can still hang.
You gonna put that KitchenAid hand mixer to the test, Mary?
I got a cake to make.
Okay, yeah, I was just gonna say, let's make and bake, okay? So here's what we love, the fact that they are metal utensil safe. So because they have those glass glazes that actually bring that pattern to life, they're still super durable. So using your KitchenAid hand mixer at the highest of speeds will never harm or hurt your stoneware. Let's talk about stoneware. It's what our grandmothers used. It's what their grandmothers used. Temptations, Terra at Home, we bring it to today's lifestyle, whether it be a lid that comes with it, whether it be the plastic storage covers, whether everything nests down inside each other, whether you're able to bake a cake, Mary, and not transfer from dish to baking to then serving, everything all done. Look at that gorgeous color. That, you can't go wrong with any of the colors, and they all mix and match back together. This is such a beautiful pattern, and you're seeing it for the first time on air. It is brand new.
Brand new. By the way,
I had to sing it.
we always sing together. By the way, this is the cake batter through the magic of television, baked up in the bowl, took it right out of the bowl, and look at that. That is a cake. I would cut that right in half and share it with my girlfriend Terra if we were not having to self-isolate. But you know what? I want everybody to see the colors down in front. This is what we have left. Uh-oh. In the buttercream, 300 remain. Oh, no. Then in the pink, 400
pretty.
remain. Then in the
Wow.
lavender, 250 remain. Then the teal at the very end, ooh, less than 150 now remaining. They nest down so it's easy to store. They're on 3 easy payments of $14.83. And Tara, why these 3 sizes in this beautiful new pattern?
Yeah, because for me, they're your staple, right? Your
Got
3
it.
quart's going to be your kind of big bowl that if you're serving more than 4 people, that's going to be perfect. Your middle bowl, and we're always asked, can you design some smaller pieces? Maybe it's just me by myself. Maybe it's just me and my significant other. So the 2 quart actually can double as an entree bowl. And then the 1 quart, I use this all the time, whether I'm scrambling eggs in the morning, whether I'm just mixing up something quick. So I love that you can even use all 3 bowls together to tell the same story of prepping, baking, serving, and storing. What you got there?
Yankee Doodle mac and cheese.
Yankee Doodle mac and cheese.
Oh.
That's actually from the cookbook that's coming up in a little bit with our Squoval set. We made one here too. I'm sure yours is more delicious than ours. I mean, Lisa and I are just moonlighting as food stylists now.
Hey, we're just adding to our resumes because CEO,
Yes, true
designer, and
story.
creator wasn't enough. You know what? I just grabbed
Food
the
stylist. Yeah.
yeah, why not? I grabbed the potato salad out of the fridge because this is that beautiful pink. By the way, teal, last call. 6 dozen remaining. But this is nice and chilled on the outside. What is it like outside right now? Blazing hot.
Hot.
So
Woo.
are there other All Aflutter pieces?
Yeah, so take a peek at the lavender in front of you, Mary.
Okay.
I know you were saying that was getting limited, but
Yes.
there's bakers, there's some liddits, there's ramekins that you're seeing there. So, and we did a twisted rope detail on the handle of that 13 by 9. I mean, they're just beautiful. Every attention to detail is about bringing that femininity, whether it's the color palette, whether it's the ditzy flowers and butterflies, beautiful, and the ruffle. So you can check out QVC.com and you can see the whole assortment that we have in All Aflutter in all the colors.
All Aflutter is available K50173. You get the baker, the lid, the cover, and the server. Teal, is it still here? Gone. How about lavender? Fewer than 150. How about pink? 300 remain. Buttercream? 150 remain. We have 3 easy payments of $14.83. First day presented. Bamboo party bucket